Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn $11 to $25 per hour working from home with online jobs, okay? So this is going to be a great way for you guys to earn some money with an online job from home, and you're going to work with a great company. So let's get started right now. So first, you're going to go on Google and you're going to type Apple at Home Advisor, okay? And you're going to click on this first link, and then you're going to arrive at the Apple site where it's going to list the jobs available at Apple for the At Home Advisor's position. And what this is that you can work from home and be one of Apple's kind of like customer service support, okay? So make your passion your profession. If you love exploring the ways technology helps you do all your favorite things, you'll probably be great at sharing your knowledge with others. That's what you do every day as an Apple at Home Advisor. And with each customer conversation you have, it becomes clear. You're not just supporting technology, you're supporting people. So here there's a video about the at-home job advisors that you can check out. It's only 2 minutes long. So you're basically doing customer service for Apple, and you're going to be answering some questions for them, but you're going to get support as well, okay? Genuine homemade support. When people contact us for help, an at-home advisor is often the one who responds. From your own home, you'll be their human connection to Apple, friendly, thoughtful, and real. You answer the questions about our products and services, enriching customers' lives by helping them access the wonder they've come to expect from Apple. And every time you save somebody's day, you'll be amazed by what it does for yours. So your home now open for business. Comfort, convenience, and a no-hassle commute are all reasons people like to work from home. But if it sounds casual, make no mistake, this is a professional role. You need a quiet, distract-free workspace with a door you can shut, an ergonomic chair, a desk for the iMac, and headset will provide, and your own network connection. So they even give you an iMac and a headset to work with. Working from home isn't for everyone, but if you're confident, disciplined, and self-motivated, home can be a place where work and life don't clash. They collaborate. We'll train you to be the best. You'll get paid as you learn Apple technologies and get familiar with our approach to customer conversations, guided by a live instructor through an online program. You'll be well connected. A network of coworkers is always there for you, and you'll keep in touch with your team and manager through video conversations and chat tools. Being part of Apple isn't the only benefit. All at-home advisors, even those who work part-time, receive a robust benefits package. So you're not going to be a freelancer or anything. You're actually going to be an employee of Apple, and you're going to get benefits for having one of these positions, okay? So you can receive a robust benefits package, including product discounts and paid time away. We also have all kinds of resources to promote your career development. And that's helpful because the kind of work you'll do in the future at Apple may not be invented yet. So you have career growth, paid time away, and product discounts if you work for them. We expect everything from an advisor that our customers do. Apple has been recognized as offering the best customer support in the industry, and there are thousands of reasons why. Our customer service advisors, they're curious investigators, technical problem solvers, and good listeners. Are you? Do you like the way it feels when you help others? Do you have the discipline to manage yourself? Can you focus in a home environment? Are you a multitasker? Are you our next at-home advisor? So this is a very good opportunity. So I'm just going to go down here at home opportunities right now. So you have different kinds of roles that you can be applying to. So you could be an at-home advisor. Okay, so that's the first level. So this is the customer's first point of contact, and you need to be a friendly voice of Apple, answering questions about the products and services, and providing world-class customer service, troubleshooting, and technical support. We'll rely on you to listen to our customers and use your technical expertise, creativity, and passion to meet their needs, and remind them that behind our great products are amazing people. And then you could also be a manager. So if you do this well, you could be a manager. You'll be responsible for providing daily supervision and promoting the development of at-home advisors. Like our advisors, you must be customer-focused, self-motivated, and friendly, with a passion to solve customer issues effectively. You'll manage advisors' performance and develop through regular online meetings and coaching sessions. And then you can even be promoted to even a bigger role, at-home area manager. You'll supervise a set of team managers overseeing our at-home advisors. You'll ensure that they're all doing what it takes to resolve customers' issues with products and services in a customer-focused manner. You supervise each team manager's performance and development with regular meetings and coaching sessions. So those are 3 different roles that you can go into, and it's really awesome that they have these positions for you. So those are the at-home jobs, but they obviously have other positions at Apple. So you can actually work at one of their Apple retail stores or the corporate office and such. But because I'm always doing online jobs and remote jobs from home, this is what I'm going to be concentrating on right now. And then how much can you get paid at Apple for this position? So an Apple at-home advisor hourly pay is between $11 and $25 with an average of $18 per hour, or an average pay of $38,000 per year. And I found on Indeed, they are rated 4.2 stars out of 5. And so people are generally pretty happy working for Apple. And also found one more. Here's the Glassdoor review for Apple at Home Advisor, and they are rated at 3.9 on this one. And generally saying they are a great company to work for. 5-star, 4-star senior advisor for that one. 4-star, 5-star, 4-star. So they're generally a good company to work for. There's a student positions, so there are student positions as well. So they are, of course, a great company to work for because they are Apple. But having an online job like this, you are still trading time for money, just like having any other job where if you stop working, then you stop earning, right? But if you want something that you can actually earn in your sleep and earn money passively in that sense, then you should check out the second link in my video description for a program that will teach you some online skills that will help you create something like that where you can earn any time of the day and work whenever you feel like it, not when Apple tells you or anybody else tells you. So you can have your own work schedule but earn any time of the day because you're going to have an online asset on the internet. That is how you can earn any time of the day, and that is something that I do online. And so if you want to earn this way passively like that and make real online income, then you can go check out that second link in my video description and learn how to do that, okay? And also I'll be there to help you if you decide to follow my path. Alright, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. And I hope I see you on the next one. Okay, bye.